Hi! Today I will make my first slime hole. This is clay. I have several colors here. Purple, yellow clay, pink, another pink, two types of orange, red, black clay, green clay, and the last blue clay. I have here two stress balls with Orbeez. This is a spider, yellow spider, with Orbeez inside. And the last one is this. And now I have a few types of slime. This with something inside is blue. Let's open. Is super jelly, not like a slime, typical slime. It's more like a jelly. I have the same type but pink. And now I have this kiwi slime. Let's open. It's with glitter inside. I like this one. And this lemon. Let's open. It's the same with glitter inside. Does not stretch and breaks quickly. You see that. It's not good. And now the last three slimes is with clay. Let's open one. And this is the last one, yellow clay. Are very sticky. If you want more, please subscribe. Bye!